Hi, this is Daniel, and you're listening to English Unlocked. You can rest now. You don't need to do anything. Just listen. Tonight, I will tell you a simple story. A story about a normal life. You can listen while relaxing. You can listen while sleeping. Let's begin. It is late evening. Anna is at home. The day is finished. She turns off the main light. Only a small lamp is on. The room feels warm and quiet. Anna sits on the sofa. She takes a deep breath. Today was long. But now, it is over. She thinks about simple things. Tomorrow morning, she will wake up. She will open her eyes. She will get out of bed. She will go to the kitchen. She will make coffee. The smell of coffee will fill the room. Anna likes this moment. She will look out the window. The street will be quiet. Then she will get dressed. She will leave the house. She will walk slowly. She will feel the morning air. At work, Anna will say hello. She will sit at her desk. She will read emails. She will answer messages. Nothing stressful. Nothing difficult. Just a normal day. Now Anna stands up. She goes to the bathroom. She washes her face. She brushes her teeth. She changes into comfortable clothes. She goes to bed. The blanket is soft. The pillow is comfortable. Anna closes her eyes. Her breathing becomes slow. Tomorrow will come later. Now is time to rest. And while Anna is resting, English stays with her. Simple words. Simple sentences. Quietly. The night is quiet. Anna is sleeping. Her breathing is slow and steady. The room is dark and peaceful. Outside, the city is quiet too. Only a few lights are still on. Time moves slowly. While Anna sleeps, her mind is resting. And English is there, softly. Listen. Tomorrow morning will begin gently. The alarm will ring quietly. Anna will open her eyes. She will not hurry. She will sit up in bed. She will stretch her arms. She will feel her body wake up. Anna will go to the kitchen. She will make coffee. The kettle will make a soft sound. The cup will be warm in her hands. She will take the first sip. It will feel comforting. Anna will think about the day. She has simple plans. She will go to work. She will do her tasks. She will talk to people. Simple conversations. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. These words are easy. These words are familiar. At work, Anna will sit at her desk. She will open her computer. She will read messages. She will answer emails. She will take short breaks. She will drink water. She will breathe slowly. The day will move step by step. At lunchtime, Anna will eat something light. She will sit quietly. She will look outside. She will rest her mind. In the afternoon, she will continue working. She will finish small tasks. She will feel tired, but okay. When the workday ends, Anna will pack her bag. She will leave the building. Outside, the air will feel different. The evening will come. Anna will walk home slowly. She will think about dinner, about rest, about a quiet evening. At home, she will change clothes. She will prepare food. She will eat calmly. Later, she will sit on the sofa. She will turn on a small lamp. The day will feel complete. Now listen again. All these moments are normal. All these moments are real life. And while you rest, Your ears hear English. Simple English. Useful English. No pressure. Just listening. The night stays quiet. Your body stays relaxed. English stays with you. Softly. Calmly. The night continues. Everything is still. Your body is resting. Your breathing is slow. And English continues softly. Listen. In the morning, Anna wakes up slowly. She feels calm. She goes to the kitchen. She makes coffee. The room smells warm and familiar. Soon, Anna leaves the house. She walks outside. The street is quiet. Only a few people are there. She meets a neighbor. "Good morning," the neighbor says. "Good morning," Anna answers. "How are you?" "I'm fine. And you?" "I'm good, thank you." The words are simple. The moment is easy. Anna continues walking. Later, she arrives at work. She enters the building. She sees a colleague. "Hi, Anna." "Hi. Did you sleep well?" "Yes, I did." "That's good." These conversations are short. They are calm. They don't need effort. Anna sits at her desk. She turns on her computer. An email arrives. "Can you help me with this?" "Yes, of course." "No problem." "Thank you." The day moves gently. At lunchtime, Anna goes outside. She orders food. "Hello." "Hello." "One soup, please." "Sure." "Here you are." "Thank you." "You're welcome." Simple words. Real-life English. In the afternoon, Anna finishes her work. She feels tired, but satisfied. When she leaves, she says goodbye. "See you tomorrow." "See you." Anna walks home. At home, she prepares dinner. She eats slowly. Later, she rests. The evening becomes quiet. Now the night comes again. Anna lies in bed. She closes her eyes. Her day is finished. And while she sleeps, English stays gently in the background. Short phrases. Simple sentences. No stress. No effort. Just listening. The night is calm. Your body is relaxed. English flows softly, like a quiet story. The night is still calm. Your body is resting. Your breathing is slow and easy. English continues quietly. Listen. In the morning, Anna wakes up to soft light. The room feels warm. She stays in bed for a moment. She listens to the sounds outside. A car passes slowly. Someone walks by. Anna gets up and goes to the bathroom. She washes her face. The water feels fresh. In the kitchen, she makes breakfast. She prepares toast and coffee. She sits at the table. She eats slowly. There is no rush. Later, Anna leaves the house. She walks to the bus stop. The bus arrives quietly. The doors open. She gets on. "Good morning," the driver says. "Good morning," Anna answers. She finds a seat and sits down. The bus moves slowly through the city. People are quiet. Some look outside. Some listen to music. At work, Anna arrives calmly. She says hello to her team. "Good morning." "Good morning." She sits at her desk. A colleague comes by. "Can we talk later?" "Yes, sure." "Thank you." "No problem." The words are easy. The meaning is clear. Anna works quietly. She finishes small tasks. She feels comfortable. At lunchtime, Anna meets a friend. Do you want to eat together? Yes, I'd like that. They sit at a small table. They talk softly. How was your morning? It was fine. Busy. A little, but okay. They smile. After lunch, Anna returns to work. The afternoon passes slowly. When the day ends, Anna leaves the building. Outside, the evening air is cool. The sky is soft. Anna walks home. She feels relaxed. At home, she cooks dinner. The kitchen smells good. She eats calmly. She enjoys the quiet. Later, Anna prepares for bed. She turns off the lights. She lies down. She closes her eyes. The day fades away. And while Anna sleeps, English stays with her. Soft voices. Simple phrases. Real-life English. Gently repeating. No effort. No stress. Just listening. The night stays calm. Your body stays relaxed. And English flows quietly, like a soft story in the background. The night remains quiet. Your body is resting. Your breathing is slow. English continues gently. Listen. A new day begins. Anna wakes up slowly. The morning light is soft. She opens her eyes. She feels calm. She sits up in bed. She stretches her arms. There is no hurry. Anna goes to the kitchen. She makes tea this time. The cup is warm in her hands. She looks out the window. The street is waking up. People walk to work. Cars move slowly. After breakfast, Anna gets dressed. She checks her phone. One message appears. Are you coming today? Yes, I'll be there. Simple words. Clear meaning. Anna leaves the house. She walks to the train station. The platform is quiet. People stand calmly. The train arrives. The doors open. Anna gets on and finds a seat. Someone sits next to her. Is this seat free? Yes. Thank you. You're welcome. The train moves forward. Anna looks outside. The city passes by. At work, the day begins as usual. She greets her colleagues. Good morning. Morning. She sits down and starts working. Later, a colleague asks a question. Can you help me? Yes, give me a minute. No problem. They work together quietly. Time passes. At lunchtime, Anna goes to a cafe. She orders food. Hello. Hi. One salad, please. Sure. Here you go. Thank you. She eats slowly. She feels relaxed. In the afternoon, Anna finishes her tasks. She feels satisfied. When work is done, she leaves. Outside, the evening feels peaceful. Anna walks home. She thinks about dinner. At home, she prepares something simple. She eats calmly. Later, she rests on the sofa. She listens to quiet music. The room feels warm. Anna prepares for bed. She changes clothes. She turns off the light. She lies down. She closes her eyes. The day is complete. And while Anna sleeps, English stays softly in the background. Simple sentences. Everyday English. No pressure. No effort. Just listening. The night is calm. Your body is relaxed. English flows quietly, helping you learn. While you rest, You can rest now. The story can fade into the background. There is nothing you need to remember. Nothing you need to do. Just listening is enough. Simple English sounds stay with you quietly. Words and sentences pass softly. Your body can relax. Your mind can rest. Learning does not need effort right now. It happens gently, in its own way. You don't need to wake up. You don't need to focus. English can stay in the background while you rest. Thank you for listening. This was Daniel, and you were listening to English Unlocked. You can come back anytime to listen again, to relax, or to practice English calmly. Good night.